everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ashley Fun Time. If you're new here, please subscribe to join the fun family. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make these kitchen scrubbies. There's one, there's another one, and I just finished making this one. I'll show you how to make these right now, so stay tuned. The materials you will need to make these scrubbies are yarn, preferably cotton yarn, but this is worsted yarn, which can be used also. Any yarn can get wet, it'll dry. As long as it dries, you're good. So just use any kind of yarn. This is Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and it has a rough texture, so you want that rough texture kind of feel when you pick out your yarn to use with the scrubbies. This one I made with that yarn. It's really like a rough texture. You also need a pair of scissors and any size crochet hook, but I'm going to be using a big one today. It's a size K or a 6.50 millimeter hook. First, make a slip knot with your yarn. Now chain 12, and you want these to be very loose. So here I've chained 12, and as you can see, you want to be able to see where your stitches are. So now go into the second chain from your hook, so it's 1 and 2. Stick your hook into the whole thing and do a single crochet, which is just wrapping the yarn over, pulling that through, yarning over, and pulling through both loops. I'll do that again. Sticking your yarn through, yarning over, pull through a loop, yarning over, pulling through both loops. And it's just that simple. So you just want to keep repeating this process throughout all of your stitches. So I've done every single one of my stitches here. Now we're just going to flip it over and go back into that chain that we did. Grab the yarn, go through that exact same chain that we just made, and single crochet. Then go to the next stitch, which is this one. Stick your hook in, yarn over, pull through, single crochet, and you're just gonna do that all the way till you get to the end. So I'm done single crocheting this side, and then flip it over and single crochet all the way across. And then once you're done with that, flip it over all the way across. Once you're done with that, flip it over, and just do the same thing until you are done with the whole thing. And I'll get back to you whenever I'm done. So whenever you are crocheting your thing, your scrubby, you want to make sure that you get every single stitch. So you see we have one last little guy right there, see right there. So we really want to make sure that we get that last one, or else it will cave in, which won't be very good, because we don't want it to cave in. So just remember that whenever you're crocheting. Once you're finally done crocheting your scrubby, which should be about this size or like a credit card size, it's time to cut your yarn. And yeah, so I just cut off about a foot maybe, And so you yarn over But this time, instead of pulling up a new loop, you pull all of it through and pull on the tail thing to secure it in place. And snip off the ends. Okay, so that is how you make your very own Scrubby. And it fits my hand, and you just scrub it on anything. It works very well. And so that's how you make your wonderful Scrubby. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And the question of the day is, did you try this project out? If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!